Cynthia Orzik said, time and a first impression remain irretrievable. We communicate messages about ourselves. Therefore, it is a good idea to step back and take a look at ourselves, our perception, our image, what messages we subconsciously communicate to others around us. A conscious effort to consider ourselves outside and inside will not only offer us insights, but improve our relationships. That contributes to your continuous success and simplifies your life. Image management is not only a necessary life skill, but a necessary business and leadership skill as well. And while Plan to Win empowers you to use time efficiently, today let us learn about the art and science of first impression from our expert, Mrs. Jaya Singhi. Mrs. Jaya is a certified image consultant and soft skills trainer. She has worked as a trainer with the Image Consulting Business Institute. She has trained people to create a winning image by strengthening their inner self and projecting it effectively in their visual communication. So without much further ado, let me welcome you, Jaya. Warm welcome, and over to you for another round of a powerful part A of image management session.
Thank you so much, Gitanjali. A very good morning to all. And now I'm not coming on screen to take my session. Still, everybody else is also coming on screen.
So we request everyone to put on their videos. Zara aap apne images. Aaj ka aapka kya image hai? Let's let the trainer see you. And
no. I'm not judging. Don't worry. I'm not putting any first impressions, because I have learned my lessons through image consulting. Okay. So I'm starting my video. Let everybody else come on screen. I should see more faces before I come on screen. You can take a few minutes maybe, and then please come on screen.
Wow, you're creating a mystery around who is Jaya Singhi.
Oh, I think most people know me here, right? Isn't? For me, it's like a good homecoming.
We have a lot of friends who haven't been here earlier. We have a lot of new people. Okay. जो भी नए लोग हैं, आप टाइप करिए चैट बॉक्स में FT फर्स्ट टाइम. सुबोध. रेस्ट आप सब यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं. आर यू पार्ट ऑफ प्लान टू विन? माला, वेलकम माला जी.
Okay. So now, and I request others also now to come whenever, as and when they come comfortable. Please be and stay on screen. So I feel better talking to people and communicating. And I'm sure you would also enjoy it more. Okay, so this can I have the screen sharing rights also, Gitanjali?
Sure. Yeah, Jay?
Yeah.
Over to you.
A very, very good morning to all. So I'm sure you're all here on this morning. So किसी ने चाय पी होगी, किसी ने breakfast किया होगा कुछ. So, and you all put on your screen. So you should definitely get some reward from my side, right? At least a promise, if you cannot, because we are online, so I cannot really give you, right now maybe. So I have a promise to all of you who have put the screens on. So, and you can, redeem it whenever you feel like. I'm just a call away. And I give you a choice, and let me know what, what would you choose, right? So I'm sharing screen with Anjali. So I'm giving you choice. So you can have one of them whenever you are visiting me. So what would you like, this one or this one? Please, give me your answers. You can unmute
The
yourself.
bowl, the beautiful bowl like this.
So who was that?
Reena.
Reena. Okay, Reena. So the creative person. And anybody else?
Vegetables.
Yeah.
Vegetable one.
First one.
Second one.
The first one.
So who said the second one?
Myself.
The first one.
Okay.
The fresher one.
First one. The fresh one.
First one, fresh one.
First one.
First one.
First one.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Samti. Now, what about you take another decision? Like Arun is teaching us how to take decisions. Let us take one more decision. So you have this card, okay? And to all the males here and who are married and have a daughter, you have, and please, after you give my answers, you can put yourself on mute. Let us be active in the morning, mute, unmute, mute, unmute. Right? So this is your wife and your daughter. The wife goes for various occasions and your daughter goes to college in this car, but you don't have the time to drive them around. So you need to hire a chauffeur. So if you needed a chauffeur to drive this car, whom of these two would you select? This or this?
The
First
first
one.
one.
The first,
First one once again.
Why?
One guy.
Why the
I
first
would
one?
prefer the second one.
Okay.
First one. First one.
Okay. So another. So for
Who the second one?
okay, who would choose the second one?
The younger one.
Shweta.
So I'm talking about males here. I'm not. I'm asking the the males here and not the females right now. So now for all the females, as a mother, if you have to meet your prospective, your daughter comes that Mama, I want to get married to this person, and what would you be most comfortable if the person turns up like this, or this, or this?
The first one.
I think the
first one.
the second one will
The
do.
middle one.
Second one will
The
do.
middle one.
First one.
Yeah.
The middle one.
First
He's
one.
much more
The
casual. Yeah.
middle one.
No, the first one. First one.
The middle one.
I think both first or first
She's
one.
asking the female, so it's the first one.
I think both first
Okay.
do, not the third.
Not the third, right? So you can have your choices, right? So now you're a woman and like this is the age of Uber, but someday if you have to hire a taxi and you are alone at some place, the two drivers stop by, which taxi are you more likely to board? This one or this one?
First one.
First one. Why you are giving a choice of the first ones only?
Second one.
Wait, because somehow I flew. So I give you, so I think that was Reena speaking, right? Reema? Why the
Reema.
first one? Right.
Reena, yeah, the first one.
First one.
First impression.
First
Like his
impression.
first impression.
What about if you are a
First.
1 minute? Yes. So you have a leader and you have to delegate, this some responsibility to the
Second.
leader. And a critical meeting with
Now the second. Now the second.
all three have similar capabilities. Mind you, all three have similar capabilities. Who would be your first choice if you have to send? I think this picture is gone somewhere. I don't know. It just ran away because I'm not selecting it. There was one more picture. I don't know where it is gone.
The first one. I mean, the second one in the
The
blue,
second one here. The one in
blue shirt.
Second one. The second one.
Why, Gitanjali?
Reliability. She projects reliability with her formal clothes and integrity. And the second one has more of a casual attitude. So how do you think?
So you cannot send that person to represent your company?
No. Because my company, somebody who's representing my company will represent the values of my company and has no need to project the same values to my client.
Right. Good answer.
I think it just suits the occasion.
Anjali, are you looking?
It just suits the place more because it's a formal thing we're talking about.
Right.
Then you need to be right out there, right? If it's a casual thing, then of course formal is a misfit.
We are talking about a company meeting, right?
Yeah, so obviously the it demands a professional look.
Yes, yes. So it was quite obvious, right? So now,
Yeah.
what were you all doing in these scenarios?
First impression.
Judging.
This was the third one, sorry.
Yeah.
So we were all, what did you all just do?
We were judging.
Selecting, formed an impression.
Huh.
Appearance.
Yeah.
We
all-
were looking at a person and creating an impression.
Yeah, yeah. So
We were checking the body language.
did you know these people? Do you know their accomplishments, whatever they had, the skill certifications? You were judging all of them through the visual cues that they were displaying on screen. Isn't it? Somebody's dish, suppose I made the second salad and not the first one. So you did not taste my dish because you did not like it. So you are making impressions for somebody. For that person, it could be a decision of a lifetime. Not selecting somebody as your, son-in-law just because he's come direct from a friend's outing. Is it fair to that person? It is not. But we do judge people on the impressions. So now with this exercise, I would like to start the session. So I'm Jaya Singhi. And I welcome you all to the session and thank you for coming here. I'm an image consultant and a soft skills trainer. And here I introduced you this image consultancy, which people think is all about. Let some of you tell me, what is image consultancy?
It's about who you are, being who you are, and
Gitanjali, I would like somebody else also to speak.
The impression formed by the first look.
Yeah?
Yeah, impression formed by the first look.
Impressions formed by the first look, okay. Anybody else?
Yeah, it
Maybe
shows very good. Grooming also
First
matters.
impression is the last impression.
Yeah, that is a cliche, like first impression is the last impression. So and today we're going to look into why it is the last impression or what the science behind it. But what does an image consultant do for you? Or what is the work profile of an image consultant?
Well, I guess he or she teaches you how to portray yourself in different situations differently, which is probably needed.
Yeah.
Understand.
Who is it suitable for? Like there are a lot of people who tell me, yeah, आपके clients तो ना सारे high profile होंगे. Yeah, somebody approached me, a mentor approached me and telling me that my mentee is into, high-end clothing. So I think you also have the same clients, high-end clients. So maybe you can provide. So, that is, so, it shows what goes into people's mind. And image consultancy is all about high-end people, political people, film stars. So I just wanted to make it clear here that it is not about a particular segment of people. Image consultancy is something which we have been practicing all of our lives. See, like the medical industry, you are part of that industry whether you want or don't want to be. Either you're a doctor or nurse serving people, or you have gone to them in some point of your life. So similarly, image consultancy is a concept which we have been using consciously or subconsciously or unconsciously all through our lives. In the small judgments we make and the kind of preparation we do for certain things, maybe we're not doing it as consciously. But the session will take you in depth into how things work and maybe the next one into how you can make it work. So today we'll be covering more about the science of first impressions, and the next one would be more about the art, how to put things together so that your image works for you. Are you all with me?
Yes.
The art and science of first impressions. So session objectives will be science behind first impressions, how and why we form impressions, success essentials, and how first impressions impact success. So what is image? So image is all about you in the mind of our others, right? So how does that you go inside there? That we'll take into later. So through our first impressions, we put an image into the people who meet us consciously, unconsciously, subconsciously. You take an effort to put that impression, or it is just happening, by chance. So the moment you have a first interaction with a person, in the first 3 to 5 seconds, the person judges you on various aspects. Why? So how are these impressions formed on these various aspects? Because, human memory is photographic. We click pictures. You close your eyes and because you need to think about somebody. What will come? Words or pictures?
Pictures.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
We get it because our memory is photographic. And that is the science beyond why, first impressions exist. So what happens is the moment we lay our eyes on a person for the first time is like almost similar to cutting a cake, a very thin slice of a multi-layered cake, and tasting all the flavors. Agreed? And what could those flavors be? So we come ahead, what are these different flavors that we try to take a taste of every time we meet the person for the first time? So let's, I'm taking you through an exercise. You can just, note yourself. Or maybe write a yes, no, maybe. So every time you meet a person, if not consciously, does this, just see whether you check this. Does this happen subconsciously or even unconsciously? 1 minute. Why is this not working? Whether the person clearly introduces himself to others. Do you check that when you meet a person? You may not do it consciously, but are you sometimes doing it unconsciously? Does the person actively listen and engage other people in a conversation, or just keep talking herself or himself? So somebody of you, one of you can mute and talk because I just cannot see the chat.
Yes, I do check.
Yes.
Yes.
So does the person maintain neat hair and clean nails? Does your attention go there?
Sure.
Yes.
So
Basically, it goes on how neat he is rather than the specifics.
So it will go on neat, but what happens is, if something is not appropriate, your attention sticks there.
Yeah. Naturally goes there. That's true.
If it is something which is not to be taken, which is appropriate, then your attention will not stand there. Next is whether the person, it's in a physical environment, whether the person uses a perfume deodorant.
Sure.
Just give me a minute. Sorry. 1 minute. You just excuse me for a minute. I will just see when this battery is going.
I think she'll be back in a minute, fixing up the battery.
In a second. Yeah.
But it's an interactive session, so feel free to engage.
Yeah, and I'm here back, Gitanjali. struggling. This laptop is giving me a little today. Does he or she dress appropriately? Do we check that?
Sure.
You find somebody dressed in sports shoes in a party, though it's okay, but don't you still check it once? Doesn't come to your notice?
Yes.
Yes.
I definitely does.
Yeah. So though you may accept it, but it does come to your attention. So is the person using right or the good accessories? Whether the person's footwear is clean?
Yes.
Does she
Sure.
get visibly sweaty? Is she visibly sweaty at armpits? It comes to your notice?
Yes.
Change the slide, Jaya.
Huh?
Change the slide, Jaya. I mean, the what you're talking about.
I think
It is there. It is there. Maybe it's stuck.
I think I would notice the overall look.
Yeah, yeah. And what
Then
I'm
I
saying
think
is,
I would notice the overall look.
yes, we do notice the overall look, and we do not, note it on a notepad. Ki maine ye dekha, ye dekha, ye dekha, ye dekha.
True.
But what happens is that we notice most of these things.
Okay, Jaya, see what Professor Arun is asking. Do
Yes.
women check more than men? What does the data show? Is there something like that?
Oh, yes, women are more observant. Definitely. We have an upper edge. And so that is why we judge people better. Women are judge people better. They can make better connections.
So now we should be the person to select
You're
the
legitimizing judging. You've just legitimized judging.
So there are some things which happen out of default, They are there. You have to accept certain facts.
Thanks, Jaya. Jaya, thanks. Yeah, men are from Mars and women are from Venus.
So if you are giving them, leverage for being from Venus, then we need to give men the leverage of being from Mars.
Jaya, tell me one thing. The first impression which I'm creating or whatever is created spontaneously,
Yeah.
is actually like judging a person.
So we'll come to that, Ranjana. It's
Okay.
there, Ranjani. We'll come to this. Of course, it's judging. But then why it just does happen, that we'll, look into. So let's take this faster now. Is he or she dressed trendy and stylish? So if somebody is really stylish, you'll come to know. You mark it, whether you're not marking that person, but that image of that person remains. So does the person avoid making cheap jokes or using off-color humor? Or he she makes that you would remember? Whether the person uses your name when talking to you, this always makes an impact.
Yes.
Does he or she speak clearly and enunciate words so people can easily understand them?
Yes.
Is he or she confident appearance and attitude? And
Yeah,
that,
change the slides. I think that slide is stuck at number 17.
for me, I'm changing.
So it's not
really
going up.
Okay.
Showing
You have to probably stop share and reshare again because
Okay, I'll do that.
Lovely session, Jaya.
Thank you.
My favorite.
You know what, Jay, I can have instant check on this because recently I met Chaya Bhimani. I went to her house and we had a good talk together. And I was really concerned about how do I look, what I am wearing, what image I'm creating in her eyes when I will leave from her place. So this is like a check for me now. Checklist.
So, can you all see now?
yeah, please proceed. Yeah.
So does that person look for connections, common ground, interests with the people they meet? So some people will, directly talk about certain connections, common things which you have, certain topics, certain people and just make a connect. So whether he or she avoids typical mistakes such as chewing gum, having messy hair, leaving cell phone on. This is something which is very relevant in today's times. Using excessive jewelry, makeup, strong perfume. Does that person avoid gossips? Don't you think these are so many things?
Yes.
Did that person make that effort to meet and greet everyone around? Do they show enthusiasm by maintaining strong eye contact, good posture, and a warm smile? And if they use too many filler words such as while communicating. So though we accept it, but we do mark it that that person is using a lot of these filler words. So if you check all these, so many things, don't you think others to check on you on these?
Yes.
Yes, so true.
I agree with you, Jaya.
So you are being judged by people on all these parameters, whether consciously, subconsciously, matter of factly, but it is happening. Why? Because we are all visual creatures and we make all these instant judgments when we meet anything. We may not be conscious about it, but it just happens. That is the law of nature, that trees are green. You have to accept them. Even if you want them to be blue or pink, they aren't. Most are green, right? But then suppose if I shut my screen, I say कि लोग इतना judge करें, मुझे तो communicate ही नहीं करना. Is it possible? No, it is not communicate. There is nothing as neutral clothing or neutral appearance, I would say. Anything you wear or not wear, whatever you display or not display, you are always communicating. You cannot not communicate. Even no communication is also a form of communication. So whether you make that impression, the first image formed, work for you, so you have all those parameters which you can work on, and it can you can have a practice of making it work for you. And if you're not paying attention, then sometime or the other it will work against you. But does it matter?
Yes. Now it matters.
So when does it matter?
When we go and meet someone in personal one-to-one meeting.
Right.
Like
Anybody else?
Chaya.
Zoom meetings also.
I think in most situations it matters.
It matters every time.
Yes.
You
I
meet new people.
Yeah, new people when
Every
you meet.
time, I think it matters every time.
All the time.
Yes.
Yeah, it does matter every time, but it is most
So
important.
even in day-to-day lives, if you are
Yes, tell me.
even in day-to-day life, if you are not well kept and always the unruly kind, the impression you create on your family itself is going to be negative.
So that is something, Rima, I really appreciate, because most people don't understand this fact. So I really appreciate that you can understand this, that even at home, there has to be a little thought gone into what you are displaying all the time.
It helps in improving your communication.
And your relationships, yes.
It helps in improving your communication.
Yeah.
The way you carry yourself tells a lot about.
And I also
your
think it
own
gives you a
character.
lot of confidence.
So yeah. So okay, one thing, let's move ahead, because I know this is such a topic which everybody would want to speak and I would love to listen. But then I think Gitanjali would keep looking at the watch after some time.
Thank you. Thank you, Jaya.
So with people who don't know you, when the opinion of others is important to the achievement of your goal. So whether you're going for a job interview or
Jaya, just one thing.
Yeah. Yes, tell me.
I think when you are well kept or when you are properly dressed, even at home, it gives you a lot of confidence.
Right. Okay. Thank you. So when you need an edge, over others, so maybe this point will come later, but again, I would like to talk about it here, that even if everybody has the same qualifications for a job interview, and there is only one or a few seats, limited seats, the biggest criteria is how you portray yourself, how you project yourself at that time. Why? You know what happens? We connect with people through 4 ways. Our life is all about communicating with people, connecting with people. And there are only 4 ways in which we can connect with people. With the work we do, isn't it? the way we speak, and what we speak, the matter. And the fourth is how we look. Give me a quick answer, which is important? Quick answer.
4 of them are equally important.
Yes, agree. 4 of them are equally important. What happens is, what creates the first impact before you even start speaking and talking about your work. So what the way you look will create the first impact.
Physical appearance.
And those 3 and 5 to 5 seconds, the person actually judges you on all these criteria that we've seen. So it's almost like you have a nail and a hammer and you put it against a wall. So if you put the first strike at the right place, and it will go straight where you want. So the remaining, strikes which you do will work and work efficiently if you make the first strike correctly. So that is all about first impressions.
Very well put. We can remember the visual of the first strike now.
Right?
The nail image.
Yeah, thank you. So what happens in this situation is, in any situation where the situation is important, where first impression matters, you should think about 3 things. Or you should think about 3 things, or there are 3 things. 1, the stranger who's making the impression, the situation, and you. These are the 3 factors which will create the first impression. Right? Why the stranger matters? The stranger matters because the person will judge you according to the skills or the knowledge or the information, the experience that person has. Right? And you are going to meet a stranger in some situation. So what is your role in that situation? What is your goal? What do you want to achieve in that situation? That matters. And you. So do you have any control over the stranger?
No.
Yes.
So do you have control over the stranger's experiences and thought processes?
No, we don't.
We don't. So, and the situation we can understand. The other person we have no control over. So what we can control is ourselves, yourself.
Not true.
So now, Ranju ma'am, this is like what you were saying. No, first impression might not always be accurate. It is like judging. But why they happen, we'll see further. But first impressions is the last impression. The reason being, whenever we make a first impression, we are humans after all. हम सब में बहुत बड़ा इतना बड़ा ego है, and which is very essential for us to have that self-respect.
Yeah.
That so I will always justify a decision I have taken once. So once I form an impression of somebody, it is very difficult for me to explain myself that my decision was wrong.
Also, Jaya, does it have anything to do with sensory psychology principles? Because obviously you have senses and you are seeing those things. So it's only human to, or it's only natural or logical to, I don't know what level of evolution you're at. It's natural, right?
Yes. So 1 minute, we can do one thing. Let's everybody come on screen and let us get some energy into the session. Subah physical activity ki Seema ne hasaya hai sabko, and there were a lot of exercises. Let's do one more thing. Let's all laugh now. Okay, just follow my instructions and keep looking at me. Right? So I need to see more faces. And I want to see your right hand. Show me your right hand. Everybody. So, right. So now take your hand up. Right hand up. Okay. And take it up only and just keep it moving it like this. You have to follow my instructions and keep looking at my face. So keep moving, go round and round and round and round and round, and slowly keep moving it round, and bringing it down. Keep bringing it down, bringing it down, bringing it down, bringing it down, and then touch your chin. So where did your hand go first?
Oh my God. Look at that.
Cheeks. Cheeks.
But I asked you to, follow what I'm saying.
On your cheeks.
What we are seeing
We
first.
just copied what we saw.
So we always believe what we see first. So we actually hear with our eyes.
Okay, we got it.
Yes, yes.
So that is the impact visuals create. Okay. So I can start sharing again.
That's so relevant.
Yeah.
This was such a great thing to do. Simple ways to understand the concept.
So always we see whenever there are any situation, when we are watching, why movies have such an impact. So you see a movie trailer and you come to know whether it's a comedy, it's a serious movie, it's, a violent movie. So that one picture can create the whole picture for you. The one, visual can create the whole picture for you. So you judge it by that time. Ki mujhe to jana, I want to see this, I don't want to see this. Or whether it creates interest in you or not. So that is how we judge a person. The moment we see that person, mujhe usko apni zindagi mein lana hai ya nahi lana hai. That is the basic thing. It may be social, professional, personal. You might have a second thought. But the moment you see a person, you judge that person. I want that person in my life. And you see a shared future with that person. Not that shared can be in any form.
I think that is where the concept of love at first sight occurred, I guess.
Yeah, so that is it. The connect happens. Love is something else. And the office situation is something else. Here also, they say the moment, there must be a lot of corporate people here who would know that interviews work like this.
Jaya, I have a question.
Yes.
Sometimes, but when you communicate without seeing each other, then also you connect.
Yeah, we do. So when the visual is not coming to, what's coming to you forming a visual with the help of the audio the voice that you're hearing.
Yes, that's so true.
There's so many people who you've not seen, but just, if you pay attention, you will realize you can relate that person's voice with somebody maybe, or you have a visual image of this.
Yes.
That may be true, that may not be true.
Yes, it may not be true, but the impression is formed in your mind.
Yeah.
Agree with you that you form a visual about the person.
Okay, so let's start again. Where is So why do we form impressions? Quickly, we'll take this. So it all goes back to, as I told you, like trees hamesha se green rahi hai. We have always been forming impressions. Why? Because this forming first impressions is part of our existential system, human existence. When we were hunters and gatherers, maybe, so us time kya hota tha? Every move you made, and you had to check if there is a wild animal, if there's a predator. Are you safe with that person, that animal or that creature around you? If there's a snake or a buffalo or a rabbit. So that is what the kind of, dangers that they had in earlier times. And we had to make snap judgments of whether to freeze, fight the danger, or, run away from it. Maybe climb a tree or do whatever you can to save your life. That is how we saved our lives. So our, situations around us, the environment around us has all changed. But our response system and our internal self still remain the same. Isn't it? There have been a lot of changes in the outside world, but you see the stresses today we have are different. The earlier stresses were different, but our reactions are the same. And that is the reason we need so much of meditation and visualization and, so much of mental strength to keep ourselves, solid, rock solid in these situations. Because the first impressions, our reactions have not changed. आज भी हम जब भी हमको कुछ danger लगेगा, we will just get stressed. So we formed first impressions then when we were hunters, gatherers, and even today. So I'll give you a quick example, quick answer, or I'll just keep the answers to myself now. So suppose you're in a jungle and you have to cross a road and there is a big, huge herd of elephants there, very far away, but nearby you see 2 elephants. See? So what is what does this elephant mean? Do you think this is safe to cross? Yes. So,
Yes.
and it is getting dark. You know, my friends from Prantuvin, we've gone for a picnic. I am on this side, or maybe Vikas, you're this side, and all of us are that side, right? And you see the small elephant, and you want to cross, and you're about to cross, when suddenly you see that the second elephant has come forward. Will you cross the road?
No.
Why? The elephant didn't say that I'm going to kill you or something. Or I'm
Yeah,
going to
but the move definitely caused kind of,
Yes.
it scared me.
That is how we react to impressions. The body language of the elephant, maybe he has a huge trumpet, gives out a huge trumpet, and this whole demeanor is so wild that you will rather rush back and stay, go back on a tree and climb up and just, okay, मैं अकेला ही रह जाऊंगा रात भर, it's okay.
Yeah, better steer clear.
Right. So that is how we still react. Hamare stressors are different, but still it's more about maximizing your positive outcomes and minimizing your negative outcomes in a situation. We still react the same. And we may not like it, but क्या होता है वो instincts अभी तक है, and we are forming impressions the same way. So whether the other person doesn't know your capabilities, or he judges you first on the first impressions. And as I told you, we always stick to our judgments as humans, and we want to build it that way. So though your first impressions might not be accurate, you will make sure that you give a reason to your second impression, your third impression ki nahi, I thought of this, so this must be correct for this reason, or today he must be better dressed because for some reason. But that first impression is of a bad dresser or not inappropriate person, then it takes lot of effort to change that first impression, and it's quite difficult.
You keep feeding your first validation. You validate your first nail जहाँ पे गया है वहीं को validate.
वही होता है, हाँ. और अगर वो चला भी जाएगा बाद में सीधे, it will create some disturbances. Yes. Who was that? I'll move it. So what? And now we come to another thing is like success essentials. All of us want to be successful. So to be successful, there are two things. Everybody wants to be successful in their personal, professional, social lives. There are a lot of books that have been recommended on how to be successful, but there are two things which happen to need to be successful, and they need to happen together. One is getting a chance to do something. Okay, so I wanted to take this thing, but Gitanjali is telling me, no, you're not allowed to take. I don't think so. Suppose, I'm just giving her an example. She did not say that. Sorry. Sorry, Gitanjali. But in case somebody tells you, no, I'm not giving you a chance, or for whatever reasons, you want to cook for somebody or do, but you are not getting a chance. You're not getting the job. How will you prove yourself? So you need a chance. And then you need to perform when you get that chance. Isn't it? If you get the job and you're not able to perform well, so what will happen? You're selected in the cricket team, but you do not score well. You would be out in the first match if you do not. We have seen so many examples here, right? And so many film stars, sons of so many film stars, you see. The performing when you get a chance depends on your education, your expertise, your soft skills. So when you perform, your education will count, experience count. But what really counts, and in today's world when everybody has education and experience, soft skills make a big impact. The way you behave with people, and also the way you lead the people around you. You go together, isn't it? So there's a lack of time otherwise.
Totally.
And getting the chance largely doesn't depend totally on, but largely depends on your first impressions.
Yes, it matters.
So true.
So this is how image consultants can help you in this is, we help you to strengthen your inner self, working on your soft skills, and then how to project the same skills or your inner qualities outside through your visuals.
Oh, true.
So that is what the second session will tell you about, how to give a good first impression.
Wow,
So
that was
that's
too
all
good,
for-
Jaya. Thank you so much.
Everybody, that is all for me, and I now hand it over to Gitanjali.
Jaya, thank you so much. That was too good.
I'll stop sharing. Thank you.
Thank you, Jaya. It was really nice.
Now
It was really nice, Jaya.
So nice to bring everything.
Thank you for a
into
very
mind.
engaging, very interactive session, Jaya. And we are looking forward to part B, which is Friends in the next session, November of Plan to Win sometime. So keep watch out. We also have Bhavna Sugandha coming back for the legal advices. So keep a lookout for more interesting sessions, expert speaks on Saturdays. And now I would like to invite Vikas Kernar to present the vote of thanks.
Thank you.
Love you, Jaya. Love you.
Thank
And
you so much, everybody.
Jaya, I really appreciate you and acknowledge your presence, your knowledge, and all the participants. This session is not about 45 minutes or 1 hour. It is about the life experiences that Jaya Singhi has. So we need to first please appreciate and acknowledge her. Please clap for her. Wherever you are, please clap for Jaya Singhi. Everyone.
Let's all come on screen, so that is something which I would love. Hands, yeah.
We all love this session, Jaya, and it is very, very important. Private this session while putting smile on your face. We cannot feel like it's an online session. We really feel that this is like one-to-one interaction with you, and you're just sitting beside me, in front of me, in a room. So it was so impactful. I learned a lot of things. Few days back, I met Chaya Bhimani, one of our participants. She's also there in this session. So yes, I was concerned about the image I'm carrying. Okay, because as you said that कि हम लोग आवाज से भी हमारा impression बनाते हैं. So that impression was made. I was more concerned about how I made feel her when I met her. So today's session was more relevant to this topic. And I acknowledge you for the topic that you are carrying. From the beginning, you showed us some images, gave us a choice. This is really very impactful, Jaya, because always we have choice in our life to be better, to excel in everything that we do. So Jaya, it's a proud moment to have you with all of us. And I know you personally, we always have talk one-to-one. You are a beautiful person. I learned so many things from you, Jaya. And I wish that we will be continuing with this, agreement, being with each other and learning from you. Just excuse me for the scene that you're seeing behind me. So I'm really thankful for Plan to Win also, because this is one of the best sessions that we have arranged. Plan to Win is always concerned about the growth, the development, the accomplishment of our participants. This one program that we conducted today is surely help you to create your impression in whichever situation you are in, whichever profession you are. Because what you will live in this world after you're gone is the memories that you create for others. And today's session is definitely going to help all of us to create a beautiful memory and beautiful impression on others. So with this, I really, really appreciate Jaya Singhi for all the life knowledge that you have shared with us. And as I started this thankful note, that this session was not only about this 45 minutes or 1 hour. This is Jaya Singhi's life experiences that she put forward in front of us in this last 45 to 50 minutes. And I appreciate her way of preparation. She was well prepared and she was expert in her sessions. She is expert in her session. The way the session was conducted, I will give a full rating if I'm asked, because she was conducting this session with interactive way. I got mesmerized, because generally what happens, speaker keeps speaking on and we keep listening to the person. But it was interactive session. She was open to ask questions. She was open to give you answers. And one thing I learned today from this session, that it really matters how is my image in the eyes of others. People get influenced by my voice when I conduct session on meditation and visualization, but it is also equally important how is my image when I meet them personally. And she also equally gave importance to grooming, कि हमारे nails कैसे हैं, हमारे hairstyle कैसी है, how do we talk to other, And these 4 aspects that we create impression, the way we work. This is the point to be noted by everyone. The way we work, it also creates an impression. The way we talk and the content that we talk and the way we look. These are my 4 takeaways from this session. Jaya, you really added value in my life.
I would like to add one thing, Vikas, answering Anjudi. Like, see, first impressions we form by default. It just happens. But जब हम ये समझते हैं कि first impressions matter and they may not be accurate.
Yes.
May or may not be. So let us not judge people on their first impressions.
Perfect.
So that is the learning which I have had from all my experience or learnings, whatever I've taken the course. So that was, so do not judge people on their first impressions. Consciously you can try that.
I'd like to add for Jaya, that despite her major family pressing commitments and her issues at home, she made it possible for us to have this session. She has a medical issue at home and dealing with other things. And yet you came, so I really want to acknowledge you, Jaya, for taking up this.
Thank you so much, Nati. My pleasure. It was really nice to be here. And I thank everybody of you.
Thank you, Jaya. Thank you.
Darshana, would you like to say something? You would like to add something?
Yeah, so I really want to acknowledge the love that you have, Jaya, for us. It has been very, very difficult for you, we know, and still you are contributing. You're really a leader for all of us. So thank you for your love, and we will definitely look into this aspect that we are all the time creating first impressions when all the time at the, you can say, stake of being, judged every minute, and we'll be ready. Thank you.
So, Jaya, I want to say last few words. So today's meditation session was on gratitude, and we Plan to Win are grateful to have a person like you with us, Jaya. It's an honor to have a person like you and who is in support of Plan to Win, helping us to conduct and experts speak, and you are the host who is delivering such a beautiful session on creating image, impression, making us aware that how it works. This exercise that you did. So that was again that how visual efforts, visual images are so important. So with this, we will get this learning from you, and we all will surely apply this in our life. Am I right, all the participants?
Yes, thank you.
Because I personally believe in this. Whatever we learn, we must start applying in our life. Then it is going to be our nature. So what Jaya has taught all of us today, how we can have a good image in the eyes of others, how we can have a lasting impact, not the first impression, lasting impact in the image of others. और हमारी खुद की image हमारी नजर में बढ़ जाएगी when we are confident about our own self. So Jaya, I am speechless because I am not really struggling to find words to appreciate you, to acknowledge you. But yes, we will have you with us, and we will have more sessions with you, because we also want our participants to win in their chosen fields. We also want our participants to create their image in the eyes of others, where they live, where they work. And you are one of the person who can add more value in their lives.
Yeah, Darshana, please.
Okay, yes. So excellent, and I cannot not acknowledge our new members who have joined, or people who are not in Plan to Win community but still have so much love for this session and for us, and also your commitment for yourself, guys. So I would welcome you guys to know about Plan to Win. अगर आपको जानना है कि Plan to Win में exactly क्या होता है, ये plan करके क्या win करना है, तो इसके लिए just get in touch with any one of us. So Gitanjali, you can put the numbers, and I'll also be sharing my number. जरूर जानिए कि ये यूनिक प्रोग्राम क्या है भाई. Plan to Win, ये Plan to Win वाले लोग करते क्या है, ये एक्सपर्ट्स को बुलाते हैं, और इसके अलावा पूरे वीक there are some of the other activities happening for 20 to 30 minutes. So 20 से 30 मिनट आप देते हो अगर अपने लाइफ के लिए, तो क्या बढ़िया आप अपने ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जर्नी पे परफॉर्म करते हो. ये जानने के लिए हमारे किसी भी लीडर से आप, जिनका नंबर आ रहा है, किसी भी लीडर से आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. If you know me personally, then definitely I am there to tell you what is planned to win. Don't worry, we are not going to pull you into this program. We are going to give you a choice that you can make, and it's going to be life changing. I don't want to use the word changing, but it will be a transformation from a caterpillar to a butterfly. Thank you, and you're already doing that, by the way. सिर्फ speed up हो जाएगा अगर आप perfect community में रहेंगे. So once again, thank you. Do check in what is Plan to Win offering to you, what is available. Yeah. So thank you for showing up this morning and to, you know, start your video. Being even you might not be comfortable, but a request कि Saturday को morning में ना अपना impression create करने के लिए video on करेंगे. इसी मन से आएंगे. Thank you. I'm complete.
For making contributions, small things in life.
I love you, Seema. You are amazing.
Yeah.
So guys, I want to talk to you about Seema. वो हमारे expert speak में हमेशा होती है, and she's really a wonderful space for her family. She's a professor, and Seema, can you just type in the chat a little bit your information? Really appreciate it. Thank you. You're on mute, Seema.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay, guys, we completed 2 minutes earlier, and next time when Jaya Singhi comes, you should pour questions to her in the session also and to us. Seema, आपको अगर कुछ जानना है या every person here, आपको जो भी जानना है, you can put it on our heart-to-heart group or to us. We will communicate to Jaya. Okay? Thank you. Lastly, 1 minute बाकी है. क्या कोई टेक अवे देना चाहेगा? 1-1, 2-2 मिनट आपको क्या मिला आज के सेशन?
I think there was a huge takeaway. I mean, Jaya, so beautifully she's portrayed कि पहले आप जिस तरह से आप अपने आप को present करते हो, you should most definitely think about that. What you are projecting to others of yourself. So that is huge. What do you want the other person to, you know, think about you? That is major, I guess.
I think towards the end, what Jaya created was very powerful. What she said, first impression is, you know, a judgment that you made. But once you notice that it is a judgment, you can be free from it, and you don't be, you know, a person who gets used up by that judgment. So that was a huge takeaway.
Super. Perfect time to close, and thank you for your excellent, you know, articulated takeaway. So bye guys, have a great weekend. Get in touch and plan to win. Bye.
See you next Saturday, 8 p.m. Same time. Thank you, everyone.
Bye. See you.
Bye. See you.
Thank you so much.
I request the Avengers to stay on.
Bye.
Arun, Seema, Vikas, Shalaka.
Thank you.
Rajesh.
Gitanjali, Darshana, all of you, Vikas, thank you.
Yeah. Others may please leave. This is officially over. Thank you so much for being here.